Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change the door on a GE dryer. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and a putty knife. Safety is paramount, so always unplug your dryer from the wall outlet before starting any work. Next, identify the screws holding the door hinges to the dryer cabinet and the strike plate screws on the door itself. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother. Now, let's remove the door. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully unscrew the hinges from the dryer cabinet. It's crucial to support the door as you take out the last screw to ensure it doesn't fall and get damaged. Once all screws are out, gently lift the door away from the dryer. Set it down on a clean, padded surface to keep it safe while you prepare for the next steps. With the door off, it's time to reverse the hardware. First, remove the hinges from the door and then reattach them to the opposite side where you want the door to open. Next, unscrew the strike plate from its current position on the door frame and move it to the new side. Make sure all screws are snug, but avoid over-tightening to prevent any damage to the components. Finally, let's reattach the door. Carefully align the door with the new hinge locations on the dryer cabinet. Insert and tighten all the hinge screws, ensuring the door is securely fastened. Once the door is back on, plug your dryer back in. Test the door by opening and closing it several times to confirm it swings freely and latches properly. You've successfully reversed your dryer door.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.